My name is Scott Redler, the Chief Strategic Officer of T3Live.com. It's been a long day or two. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友，大家好，欢迎来到今天的直击美股，我是主持人江柳，在华尔街向您问好。周二美股开盘涨跌互现，道琼斯工业平均指数高开146.87点，涨幅0.68%。在盘中，它的涨幅一度收窄至80点。标普500指数高开5.84点，涨幅0.35%。纳斯达克综合指数低开5.06点，跌幅0.08%。美国10年期国债收益率上涨至2.307%，30年期国债收益率上涨也突破了2.9%。分析师认为，这段时间以来，国债收益率上涨的部分原因是美联储口风松动。美联储曾经表示，温和的通胀会促使央行放缓加息的步伐。尽管如此，还是有很多投资者担心美联储会马上实施紧缩的货币政策。因此，明天市场将持续关注美联储公开市场委员会关于货币政策的决议。财报方面，谷歌昨天公布了财报，但是那一份财报并没有为它带来股市的开门红。今天谷歌应声下跌，盘中它的跌幅一度超过3.4%。今天公布财报的还有机械设备巨头 Caterpillar 还有麦当劳。财报显示 Caterpillar 第二季度收入要同比上涨10%，而麦当劳的第二季度收入也是超过了之前的预期，这直接推动了它在盘中一度涨幅超过4.4%。好的，更多消息让我们来进行交易员访谈。Hi Scott, as our daily routine that we'll check on the S&P cash, I'm curious about XLE because oil is trading high. Does it bring any influence to XLE today?
Okay, I think both are worthy of going over. First, I like to go over the S&P because it measures the broader composure of the market. We did make new highs and came off a little bit, but I still think technically we're fine. You look here at the chart of the S&P cash. S&P cash, the right place to have bought it probably was on the pullback earlier in the week, and then you got paid into this gap up, or here when it broke the descending channel, or here when it held the 50-day, but at this point it's just a little extended. So, you know, I still think it's fine, but tomorrow we could have a little bit of an inside day on Fed day. The XLE is trying to be relevant. Okay, what do I mean by trying to be relevant? I mean it's trying to do something different versus just coming into the trend line and selling down. Okay, so for now, some guys are long versus this low here. Others are long versus this 64.50. So I think you could be long the XLE versus this spot, but don't add on strength. If you add on strength, you're ruining your cost average. Maybe at some point it takes this out to get towards 68, but at this point it's very choppy on how it gets there. So you're better to buy weakness or give it room versus adding to it on strength.
Mm-hmm. And yesterday you said that we would see if Google could break out above the all-time highs, and then we know what to do next. But today it didn't. Then what should we do next? And also, are other tech stocks under the pressure?
Well, Google went from 920 to 1,000, and the report wasn't strong enough to break it out the way Netflix was. Mm-hmm. So the way you judge a stock is, or after hours, is kind of break above a momentum level and hold it. Google tested it and failed. So that trade's off the table for now. Now we'll see, does it hold the 50-day? Look at Google. Google, could not break above this spot after hours, so it was a no trade. Did not touch it. But from down here at 920 all the way to there, it's not the end of the world that it held this spot. So for now, I would give it some time to see how long does it not fill this gap or fill this gap. But at this point tomorrow, we'll see how it opens. You have this low to trade against, which is around 963. Maybe it goes sideways and fills the gap. Maybe it retraces more. But for now, a doji means indecision. Means that it was a dip, but maybe not a big enough dip to buy it. I would just avoid it and watch it. You look at stocks like, Baba did not care that Google was down. Last time Baba had a nice little sideways base. It broke out. Now it looks like it's doing it again. So we'll see if Baba could hold this 150 area, then start to get going to the upside. JD didn't care that Google was off, right? It made a new, new high here. We had this in my note, had a nice breakout. I've been talking about this with you guys from all the way down here. So all in all, tech took Google in stride. Tomorrow we'll see what happens with the likes of Facebook and Amazon.
That's all for today. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And again, just keep moving around, keep rotating your money, keep using a tier system. That'll keep you safe and keep you profitable, and make sure you know what you own through earnings season, because the reports definitely could push them around both ways. Have a good night.
好的，以上就是今天的全部内容。更多消息，请您继续关注我们的直击美股。我们明天再见。